Adams Polish's graphene coating is the next evolution of ceramic protection for your vehicle. Adams Polish's graphene coating is more durable. It can be applied to all surfaces of your vehicle, including your glass, your plastic, your paint, chrome, any material that is on your car it can be applied to, and it has less surface tension than any coating that we've ever offered. What that means to you, the consumer, is it makes it easier to clean your car and it makes your car shinier for a longer period of time. It does that by having more resistance to stains such as bug guts, bird droppings. It has more resistance to scratching with surface scratching with towels, with washing induced scratches. Your car will stay shinier longer with this graphene protection on it. Adams Polish's graphene ceramic coating also is incorporated with our patented UV technology. As you can see, as you shine a UV light on it, the coating will turn blue. That gives you confidence to know exactly where you have applied the Adams Polish's graphene ceramic coating. The longevity of Adams Polish's graphene ceramic coating is upwards of 7+ years. With the addition of the graphene oxide to our ceramic coating, it gives it a reinforcement layer to the ceramic protection that you've loved for years now. As you can see, the beading effects on your car are very apparent. The best thing about that is on surfaces such as this glass that have a higher angle, the water will not stick to it. It slides off with ease. That is because there's less surface tension on your whole vehicle. As with all industries, technology always marches on. That is where our graphene coating is. It is taking the wonderful, amazing ceramic coating technology that everybody loves, and it is taking it a step further. The new evolution of the graphene ceramic coating is something everybody will love for years to come.